Commanders morning. Ngifisa ma-commander ukuthi singadidiswa abantu abangaqondile okuhle nge-MK Party. Once anyone goes here on TikTok and starts saying izinto ezi-divisive noma izinto ezigxeka umkhonto wesizwe party zibe zingakhi, we must be very wary of those people. And therefore ngifuna ukuthi sonke sibe aware of this when it happens. Singashawa ile yanduke yodwa yashaya ngaleza ikhathi ze-IFP ne-ANC. The only person njengamanje kwaZulu, or let's say the only group or the only angifuna ukuyibiza nge-monarchy because it gives it away, but anyway, the only monarchy that can have power to rival against Jacob Zuma right now in South Africa is the Zulu monarchy, especially since befuna ukudivide kwayiwona uZulu ngoba uZulu uhlangene uhlanganiswa uJacob Zuma. So please understand ukuthi they are trying by all means to infiltrate KwaZulu-Natal and break it in half so that bazobuyela bebe nepower kuyo. And therefore bonke laba bantu laba ababhizi beqhamuka nezitori left, right and center ba-infiltrated, bathengiwe. Asingakukhohlwa nje lokho, kusobala kucacile, bathengiwe. Yabo. So manje let us be very wary of these people that come sebe nama claims amakhulu bona, sebe nama positions athile, sebe power hungry, sebe njanjani, and understand ukuthi they are fighting against the one man who can unite KwaZulu-Natal. And not only KwaZulu-Natal, he can unite South Africa. So commanders, baqapheleni labantu, bayingozi, and abazile vele ngokuhle. What I do like, however, ukuthi bayayiveza and bayiveza kusaseili. Angifuni ukuloku ngigxila kubantu, angifuni ukugxila ku mama or kusisi Mbumbulu lo yaya. Angifuni futhi ukuhamba ngiyo-analyzer yonke into that has been happening around indlunkulu yakwaZulu. But uma umuntu okhaliphile uzokwazi ukuthi mawuvakashela insukwana nje nezinyangana nje ezidlule ubone ukuthi what has been really going on lapha, yabo. But ke angifuni ukungena lapho kakhulu ngoba the aim is to make people aware of laba bantu abayinyoka abaqhamuka as abantu abama-saviors. Be very careful of these people. Basazoqhamuka futhi basazoba baningi okwamanje, basathumele kwemidlwanyana kwabo, asazoza ama-bulldog angempela, and mayesefika ama-bulldog azofuna ukuhlukanisa uZulu, and by that time it will be too late ngoba ubaba wethu seyibonile lento. And that's why ehlanganisa amalokhunjana ukuthi kube ukuthi by that time, if it has to happen, awuketula umbuso, angithuli.